And we are continuing with step 13 in replacing our disc brake pads. Before we put the tire back on, we need to make sure that we clean the rotor, the caliper, and the brake pads. To do that, we'll use a brake parts cleaner that you can pick up at any auto parts dealership or Walmart as well. What you want to do is spray it all over your rotor, your caliper, and your brake pads. Make sure you get the back side of it as well. You'll want to make sure that you are catching the brake parts cleaner that drips off and then discard it later. Next, you need to put the tire back on and start the lug nuts. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that the lug nuts are put on tapered side in so that it holds your wheel on properly. I'm going to be using an air wrench to tighten these lug nuts, but a tire iron works great as well. As you do this, you want to make sure you tighten them in a star-shaped fashion.